First of all, before we get into the topic of this video, go on YouTube, type in eBay Stealth. You can find thousands of my videos across lots of different channels, because I sell channels as well. So if you go on YouTube, you can find all my videos. Just type in eBay Stealth. I've got thousands of videos on there. Right now, this is a quick video. It's for UK people, okay? There's a different method for American and Australian. But if you've been suspended before on eBay or Amazon and you don't want to use a Stealth account, you want to trade under your own name and you don't know what to do, there's some methods, okay? There's two methods that you could do. In the UK, there's a system called depot. You can legally change your name by depot, right? Or you could be known as. For example, you got these famous bloggers, right? Most of the people don't know their real name. They trade under their bogus name. And you can actually go to the bank and say, this is my known as name. Okay, they would give you a bank card under that name, and you can trade under that name. So you actually got like a new identity. Even if you don't want to be known as, but you want to be like change your name completely, you can do that through Depot. And what you do, you buy that online. It costs about 1,000. No, not 1,000. Sorry, maybe. I was going to say my local currency that I'm in now. It's about $20. Which is about £15. So you can change your name by depot. You take that to the bank, you take that to the passport, and then you've got a new name. That's what you could do, okay? That's option one. Option two, what you do, you get your sister or you get your brother, you get someone to sign up. You get them to sign up through a company. And then once you've registered and you've verified your eBay account or Amazon account, remove them from the company and then start trading. Because with eBay and Amazon, they only know when you sign up through the company name, right? Once it's all linked and verified, the money still goes into that company account, because the sort code and the account number, the IBAN number, it will be exactly the same. So once you sign up, you just remove them from the company or give them a smaller share from the company, and then that's it. So then you've literally, there's two ways you can trade and have full control over the company once you've been suspended. So this is a quick tip for you. If you don't want to do any of those things and you want to get back online again and you need some help because you've been suspended, contact me. I'm here to help you. I've got thousands of videos online. Thank you very much.